Hello friends. Today we will discuss paradox of thrift in Keynesian economics. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. So what is paradox of thrift? In economics, paradox of thrift is a concept introduced by J.M. Keynes which explains that when everyone tries to save more money during a recession, total savings in the economy may actually fall instead of rising. How it is? So, its simple explanation is that saving is a good habit for individuals. It helps for future needs. But if everyone in the economy starts saving more and spending less at the same time, overall demand for goods and services decreases. When demand falls, businesses produce less, leading to lower income, job losses, slower economic growth. As a result, people earn less income, so even though they intended to save more, their total savings declined. That's why Keynes called it paradox, because an action that is wise for one person can be harmful when done by the everyone collectively. So it can be understood with an example. Suppose 100 people in a small economy earn 10,000 each. Normally they spend 8,000 and save 2,000. So total spending is 8 lakh and total saving is 2 lakh. Now, due to fear of recession, everyone decides to save 4,000 instead of 2,000. Spending falls to 6,000 per person. Total is spending is 6 lakh. Business see less demand, cut production and jobs because savings has increased, so people spend less. Income falls to 8,000 per person, so they can save only 1,000 or 1,500, even though they tried to save 4,000. So total saving in the economy actually falls. So Keynes explained, Keynesian theory says aggregate demand, that is AD, is equal to consumption plus investment plus government spending plus net export, that is C plus I plus G plus X minus M in the bracket. If consumption decreases due to higher savings, aggregate demand falls, lower demand leads to less output leads to less income, which ultimately leads to less saving. Hence, paradoxically, more saving desire reduces total saving and deepens recession. So it can be said that individually saving is wise decision, but collectively it is excessive savings is declining